First off, back at it again. SeeJeanty, you already know, right? You follow me on YouTube, you're following me on Facebook, you're following me on IG. You know, I am all about showing a different side of Haiti and also talking business and bringing folks in. Haiti Tech Summit has really been a leverage for that mission, right? Because you guys here at Haiti Tech Summit, we're talking about opportunity. We're talking about how to bring folks in. We're talking about engagement. We're talking about how do we leverage the incredible talent we have, not only over there, but here to create jobs, to leverage technology in whatever the industry is, and to create and to grow, right? And in that capacity, in that essence, Haiti Tech Summit's doing exactly what it needs to be doing. And again, I want to, folks, if you're watching this and you're not here, come next year, because we need you. We need your talent. We need you to contribute to this, because this is what's going on here that's going to take Haiti out of its middle name. The poorest country, that's going to end with your contribution.